Alright guys, that's pretty much the last of the training and should be able to get you to a passing grade, if not 100% on the test itself. Like I said, we'll be taking this max certification test on Thursday morning, so you want to be prepared for it. So as I showed you before, I want to show you again everywhere where you can look up information and you can work on it and make sure you're able to pass this. Um, right off the bat, you have the study guide that you should have hopefully been filling out while you were watching these videos. This manual right here, this training manual, has absolutely everything in it. I mean, there's nothing that it missed. So if you can remember that cover to cover, guaranteed 100%. The presentation, that's what we went through. These two right here, that's what we went through together with the study guide that went along with them. Obviously, you're more than welcome to watch the videos again. And then finally, if you come up over here to the quizzes tab and let it load, you'll see Max Certification Practice Quiz. Open that up. You can take it as many times as you want. It's unlimited. It's not going to be the test, but it's going to be very, very, very similar. Like I said, I proctored these a lot. Um, So I got a pretty good idea of what you're going to see. And this test is going to be full of that type of stuff. So bring it up. You can go through and answer the questions. Which type of tank must be used during the transfer of refrigerant? Well, if you remember, you would select DOT-4BA. If you don't remember, then you might want to have some other your information up. You could have found that in the 609 presentation. You could have found that in the certification training manual. Um, I'll give you a quick look at this. For those of you who didn't open it up, they watched the videos, you may not have seen this yet, but it is a pretty in-depth manual. You can actually download it too, so you have it in PDF instead of viewing it on here. Um, However, at the same time, uh, let's see here. Yep. So if you hit Control F on this certification manual right here, it'll bring a find on page 1234YF. Brought that up. Gave me 88. So you can also Control F this entire document. Go look for answers. Whatever you need to do. All right, that's all I got, guys. You get all this done, you'll be ready for Thursday. We'll take the test. We'll start our hands-on stuff. We'll do a little bit of recap again on introduction components, how they work, stuff like that. Just because we're going to be getting out on there and actually start talking about diagnostics. And, in order to get into diagnostics, we need to know components, location, what they're doing. Uh, any questions? If you have any questions at all whatsoever as you're um, taking this test or getting ready for what's coming up, please feel free to call me. Uh, that's it. We'll see you Thursday. All right. Good luck.